林博言会用他的魔术技巧，结合幽默气氛，给大家带来一个魔方感应的魔术表演。
Max Lin will combine his Rubik's Cube expertise and sense of humor to bring you a Rubik's magic show.
So right here I have a Rubik's Cube. Okay, I'm going to travel a little bit. Okay. Okay, so watch this, right? Yeah, it's completely solved. So now I need a volunteer to come up and join me. So anyone want to volunteer? Lee, Richard, guys. Okay, so let's go around boss for our volunteer. Okay, so this right here. Yeah, okay. So can you please all your name?
Hi, Lisa Spallin.
Okay, so thank you very much, Lisa, for being on stage. You have a love speak. I want you to use So here I have a brown bag. Okay? Now this is not an ordinary brown bag. This is a magical brown bag. Okay? Which means that when I put a Rubik's Cube inside it, something magical will happen. Okay? So just keep this up. So just keep this up. Yeah. So just keep this up. Okay. So we're gonna wait for Lisa to stop the tree. Okay. So whenever you want, you can So this is Lisa's strong Rubik's Cube. Okay. I'm going to put this Rubik's Cube inside my bag, and the cube comes out solved. Okay, right? Right, but this is a pretty magical bag, right? So I'll sell it for $20 if anyone wants it. How much? No one? Okay. But the truth is, I actually cheated, and it's actually in Lisa's cube is still in here. So, but I'll still sell it for $20 if anyone wants it. Okay. I'm going to cover this cube, okay? Right? And I want you to put your palm out like this, okay? So I'm going to put this on your palm, and don't turn it and don't drop it, okay? And I want you to face audience, okay? So place it on your, I won't look, okay? So to make sure I don't look, I have a blindfold here, okay? So I'm going to put this blindfold on. Okay? So now, okay, I'm going to trail my Rubik's Cube, and I can actually feel the exact permutation that Lisa's cube has. So I'm going to scramble my Rubik's Cube so that hopefully it'll match Lisa's cube. Okay, so I'll start in 3, 2, 1. So I think this is it. I'll put the blindfold away. So so let's see. There's one side completely matched. Okay, 2 sides completely matched. 3 sides completely matched. 4 sides completely matched. Okay, 5, 6 sides all completely matched. Okay. Wow. This is only the first part of my show. Okay, so for the second part of my show, I'm going to do it a little bit differently. So for the first part of my show, I scrambled my cube to match Lisa's cube. For the second part of my show, I'm going to give Lisa this solved Rubik's Cube, okay? And I'm going to use my eyes to control her hands while she is scrambling, okay? Okay, it sounds okay. Okay. But and after she scrambles it, it will hopefully match this cube right here on the stand, okay? So Lisa, I'm gonna give you this cube. Don't touch it. Okay? Here you go. And look right into my eyes. Look anywhere else. Okay. Now you may start scrambling. Okay. Look right into my eyes. Don't look anywhere else. Okay. Look anywhere else. Right into my eyes. Okay. Did you feel anything? No? Okay, it's completely normal. Because you don't want eyes to it. Okay, so keep turning, keep scrambling. Right, fine. Don't anywhere else, okay? Just block everything else out, okay? Now, whenever you want, you can stop shuffling, okay? Just not the whole night. Okay, so wherever you want.
Alright.
Good? Wait, actually, so I'll give you two options. Do you want to stay here and give me the cube in this position, or do you want to do one more turn? Okay? And the outcome will be completely different. So do you want to stay here, or do you want to do one more turn?
I'm gonna do one more turn.
Okay, so you just do any turn you want. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now, so okay. Wow. Okay, perfect. Okay. So this is crazy. Okay. So this is the cube that Lisa just scrambled up. Okay. Now this cube, I've not touched this since I put it down. Okay. And it's been here for the entire duration of my show. I'm going to pick it up now. Okay. Okay. Pick it up now. Okay. So there's one side completely matched, two sides completely matched, three sides completely matched. Okay. Four sides completely matched. Okay. Five sides completely matched. All sides are completely matched. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm Maxwell. Have a great night, everyone. Thanks so much.
Wow, great job by your mother.